Hey, this is Ihor from hexel.com. Today I have a really exciting topic. We're gonna talk about ADB, which is Android Debug Bridge. Let's first look at the basics of what it is and then some of the cool stuff. So ADB does all the interactions with the devices, either emulators or real devices, like installing apps, login, debugging, performance profiling. And in Android Studio, this tab, Android Monitor, is a representation of the ADB output. So you might not even use any ADB commands at all, but you're using it daily. The next thing is gonna be a game changer if you've been using a USB cable for developing. There is a way to use the Wi-Fi, so you don't need to connect your device ever via cable, which is really inconvenient since some of the cables are really short. First you need to connect your device with the cable, actually, and then type this command. And this command starts a ADB daemon on the device, and it listens on this port. Now you can disconnect the device and forget about cable. Yeah, and your device and your laptop should be on one Wi-Fi network. Next you need to get your phone local IP address. I use this app, What's My IP. It has a nice widget which I put on the home screen. It's really easy to access it from the home screen. You get your IP address and then you type and you connect to your phone. So that's it, just two commands. You can check your connected devices in here. Currently I have this phone connected via Wi-Fi. So with this approach you still need to connect your device to run the listener for TCP IP. But there is a way with the no cable connection required, but you'll need root access on your phone. You just install this app, turn on the switch, and it's gonna listen on the port. So you won't need to use the cable at all. This app. Now let's look at some handy ADB commands. So for example, if you build your APK, signed APK, you can install it using this command and path to APK. This is gonna install the APK. There is a command on ADB which you can use for broadcasting, running intents and all the different stuff, so that, for example, you don't need to write any code for that, for like debugging broadcast receiver. Using this command, you send a broadcast with this action, just for debugging. Sometimes you want to see how your app behaves on the different screen sizes, and starting new emulator could be really time consuming. It could take up to 4 or 5 minutes just to start emulator and build the app. And there is a way to emulate different screen sizes on just any device. So first what you need is to go to this website. You can find any device metrics in here. What we need is a pixel resolution and pixel density per inch. So for example, we have this Nexus 5X running and we want to simulate Nexus 9. We want to see how it looks, and running new emulator could take up to 5 minutes, but with ADB you can run it with just 2 commands in seconds. Let's look for Nexus 9. So it has this resolution. So the first command is this: ADB shell window manager size in pixels, changed it. And the next one is density in pixels. Just click on this item, check for this physical density 288. And here you got the Nexus 9 look. But as you see, the portrait mode displays the landscape tablet and vice versa. It's because we just changed the size, but emulator doesn't know that we switched to a tablet. So when you switch from phone to tablet, you just reverse resolution in here. And yeah, now it's portrait in portrait as it's supposed to be. And in just 2 commands you can emulate any screen size. Check this side to switch back, reset for each command, and we switch back to our phone. Really fast and easy if you care just to look at the layout behavior on different sizes. Right, and the last thing I wanna talk about today is some of the brute UI testing. Make sure to not to listen to music because it's gonna mess around with your volume. And this way you can just find bugs, crashes, like deep in the apps hierarchy, if you have some. This command. Right, that's it for now. ADB is really great. You got lots of cool stuff there. Thanks for watching. Take care.